Hello, my OHMoto family. My name is OHMoto419, and welcome to the very first video here on my channel. This video is going to serve as an introduction to me and my channel, and help you decide whether you want to be here to support this channel or not. If you want to, be one of the OHMoto family, definitely hope that you choose yes, and hope that you subscribe to the channel. But yeah, I'm gonna be a little crazy because I am a motorcycle rider and I have ADHD. Not like diagnosed with it, just I ride a motorcycle and it just comes with the territory. We all know we have ADHD. We all like on this bike. So on my ride home, we're gonna talk about some things. We're gonna talk about who I am, where I'm from, where I'm at, where I'm going, and most importantly, my 4 fundamental goals with this, not just this YouTube channel, but everything OHMoto419, from the Discord to all the social medias to this YouTube channel, everything. And by the way, all my social links will be in the description below, so be sure to check them out. I also know that it is really fucking dark out. I understand that. So we're doing a night ride, not what I really wanted to do for an introduction video, but it is what it is. It is. That is, unless the daytime footage is actually not bad and the audio is not bad, but this is just a backup, just in case it is bad and I have to use this before returning this bike. So anyways, I do rent my motorcycles every month. I don't have my own motorcycle. I do rent once a month, and I rent a couple days a month. But that is going to change as the social medias grow, as everything grows. And once I move, which I will get into, I will be looking at getting an R7, a Yamaha R7. That is my goal. Now, right now I'm on a BMW F900R. It is a rental, and I do rent every month until I can get my own bike. Now, like I said, I am going to move, and my money right now is being saved up for moving cross country. And we're going to talk about that because I'm going from Vegas to Ohio. Well, it's a big change, clear across country. I am 36 and I have lived 34 years of my life in Vegas, and I know I get a lot of shit. A lot of people go, why the hell are you moving to Ohio? Do you realize it snows there? Do you realize it gets cold? Do you realize you're going to have actual riding seasons and not riding seasons, where, right now you have riding season all year? Yes, I do. So the main reasons that I am moving clear across the country, first and foremost, cost of living. 10 years ago, I had a 2-story house, 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath, huge ass backyard, 2-car garage. It was amazing, and I was only paying $925 a month for that house. Now I have a house that's 4 bedrooms, but it's in less space. Does that make sense? Like, it's more cramped. We don't have a dining room. We don't really have a backyard. We do have the 2-car garage. But my rent is now at $2,140 a month. Over double. Like 2.3 times what I was paying 10 years ago. And yes, incomes have drastically gone up, but honestly, I can't survive out here. And depression and everything else that comes with this city is just too much for me to handle anymore, and I don't want to be here. This city makes me question my will to live on a daily basis, and I cannot do that anymore. So I am moving. But they're like, well, Ohio is really going to make you question your will to live. And I go, not for me. And I'll tell you what. I understand it snows. I understand that there's all that. But with my social medias, I don't have just the OHMoto419 brand. I have 2 other social media brands. I have my travel agency. And when winter comes, I will still find a way to make motorcycle-related content that is released. It may not be riding content, but I will be making content as best as I can, not just on the OHMoto419 brand, but my other brands as well. And once I move, I will actually be working full-time for myself. I will no longer be working for some company, working for some man who takes most of the money and then gives me a little bit every hour I work. Not doing that anymore. I'm working solely for myself. So yeah, that's a big push. Being able to not only move, the cost of living being so much less, and being able to finally work for myself 100%, and also focus on making content for you guys on a regular basis, which is what I love to do. I'll literally be working doing what I love to do, which is make content. And I know this is my first video long form on this YouTube, but it's not my first long form video on YouTube, just on this social media brand. Oh, I hate these bumps while trying to lean through this curve. But there is something that is important that you must know, and that is my 4 fundamental goals when it comes to all things OHMoto, literally everything OHMoto 419. That is going to be my 4 fundamental goals, and they are the foundation of what I stand for. They're the foundation of what all my content stands for across multiple social medias, and that is those goals. So let's talk about those, and I will try not to let my ADHD brain kick in and disrupt me. I am pretty tired and on my way home for the night and gonna go pass the hell out, so maybe my brain will work better with me tonight. But yeah, so the first and foremost goal is I want to help those that are aspiring riders like myself, because, for example, I waited over 10 years, over a decade, to finally get my motorcycle endorsement, to pull that trigger and actually take a course and get my license and ride, not just legally, just to ride at all. Like, I waited over 10 years. So my first and foremost goal, or like the first fundamental goal, is to inspire the aspiring riders to take the leap of faith and go get your MSF course. Look up MSF courses near you, schedule it. But before you do, please go get your helmet, get some gear, because you're going to need that for your course. But I want to encourage you guys to stop waiting, stop putting it off, and just go get that course done and ride. Yes, this is scary. Yes, it can be very deadly. And we're going to talk about that and some other goals here. But I want to inspire you guys to actually pull that trigger and get on a bike, like get that course done and start riding. I wish I did sooner. I really do. Now, fundamental goal number 2, and by the way, there's a beautiful Las Vegas Strip where I don't live. I don't live in a casino. Just so you know, I live in a house, just like you guys. But goal number 2 is to help through my content, through my communities on Discord, through my social medias. I want to create a place for new riders to learn not just riding techniques, not just how to shift, how to start the bike, things like that, but I want to help you guys learn the things that you need to do mentally, or the things you need to know mentally when you're out on the road with all these not just riders, but drivers, all these drivers who most of the time don't even see you coming, and what you need to look for, where your mentality needs to be, because like I said in the first goal, this is dangerous. It is deadly. You have a lot of power between your legs. That's what she said. But there's a lot of power here between the legs, and if you're not this is scary, okay? Exactly. Thank you. So yeah, that's why I backed off. I knew what was coming. So I saw that coming. I saw that situation. I let off the throttle, and I wasn't going to put myself between those two cars because of things like that. So my content, I want you guys to be able to watch my content and learn what you need to know, what you need to look out for when you're riding, and protect yourself. Come home safe. That alone, if I had sped up and got between them, I might not even be finishing this video right now. But I let off the throttle. I fell back a little bit because I'm not going to do that. Those are the things I want to teach you guys, you new riders, and to help make sure you come home on a daily basis. I don't want anyone going out for a ride and not making it home. And unfortunately, here in Vegas, it's every 1 to 3 days another motorcyclist is killed in this city. And every day I wake up and I open Facebook and I hope that I don't see it. And 1 out of 3 days, I'm seeing another motorcyclist killed. whether it be that left turn driver that made the left turn out in front of them and they didn't stop in time, or, you know, many other reasons you can end up getting in an accident and not coming home. So I want to help lower those numbers by teaching you what you need to know when you're out here. Now, I'm going to get out of this position because I don't want to be right here. So give me just a second. Okay, now that I am in a better place right now, let's go to goal number 3, guys. And goal number 3 is important. It's a very important one. It may not seem as important, but it is. And that is, through my content, through my Discord, through everything, is to build a community that also involves a lot of already experienced riders that have the same knowledge I have, whether it came from, you know, riding, or in my instance, where a lot of my important knowledge actually came from driving semi-trucks for years before I hopped on this bike. And there's a lot of knowledge that came with that, but I want to have a community that's built not just with new riders, not just aspiring riders, and not just people watch my channel, but experienced riders as well. So that way, if, you know, someone asks questions, whether it be in the Discord, whether it be here on my channel, and I don't get to it quick enough, there is experienced riders that also enjoy my content that are here to help you guys as well. That is important to me. And also, like, I do want my content, and the third goal is to also be entertaining enough, not just for the experienced riders to want to watch it, but for all of you guys, even those that don't ride motorcycles or don't want to ride motorcycles. I hope that my content here will actually be entertaining enough with my ADHD brain, and you guys decide that you want to stick around and subscribe and watch this shit, you know? So that's goal number 3. And now goal number 4. This is the most important goal that I have. Watching this guy come up on my left. I'm seeing this situation again. He's not going to jump over. Other than that, okay, we got like no one behind us for a while, so we're good. Goal number 4, this is honestly the most important fucking goal that I have. And that is to change the hearts and minds of those outside the bike community, outside the riding community. When they hear the word biker, I want them to think bikers are fucking awesome. Bikers are cool. Bikers are good people. Bikers have families too. I want to change the way the general public looks at us, but I can't do that without you guys. I can't. Like, I could... What? Oh, sorry. That was me getting distracted, throwing my arm to the left and kind of going left, but no one's behind me for like a mile. Not really a mile, but like, there's a car behind me a little bit. But anyways, I want to change the outlook. And like I said, I can't do that by myself. I need your guys' help. So that means all of us as a community building, learning together, and finding ways to interact with the general public that are positive. Not going out there breaking mirrors every time we get upset. And instead of getting upset and breaking mirrors, looking at a situation and falling back, or like moving yourself out of that situation before the dumb thing happens, that wouldn't be your fault that it happened, but it's kind of your fault for not seeing it coming and getting yourself out the way, and you know, and letting your emotions get out of hand. So I want to, with the help of the community, work on changing the general outlook of us riders, and in the same time, maybe, hopefully, change the hearts and mind of at least one person who absolutely hates bikers. You know that guy on social media that says, if I see you lane split, I'm gonna open my door and hit you? Yeah, don't do that, dude. That is attempted manslaughter, and if they do die, it is manslaughter, and you will go to prison for it. Don't do it. Not fucking worth it. But I do hope that I can change the hearts and minds of people like that through my content, through the community, and also with the help of everyone else that is part of the OHMoto 419 family, or we'll just say OHMoto family. And if we can change the hearts and mind of one person that absolutely hates us and says shit like that, maybe that person will actually look out for us, and in return, it saves a life and brings another rider home at the end of the day, where they've been out riding, just having fun being themselves, not putting anyone else in harm. way, and they get home. That's what I want to see, is more riders coming home and building that positivity through the community where it will help bring us home. God, that bump hurt. It just became one mind, body, and soul with my seat. Ooh. Oh, it's so fucking cold. It's 49 degrees right now, which isn't that cold, but when you're riding and it's cutting through you, oh my God, I wish I had a warm undershirt. Whew. Time to get off the freeway. Anyways, I also want to build a community that does, have safety in mind and gear in mind, and knowing that there's a time and place for everything, and when to do shit and when not to do shit. So that's pretty much my fucking goals, guys. So if you like all that shit and you like what I am trying to put out there for the motorcycle community, especially with the content that is to come, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't be scared to comment, interact with me. I will interact with you on all my social medias as best as I can. But honestly, whether you're a biker or not, whether you want to ride, don't want to ride, you're thinking about it, whatever it may be, I love each and every one of you. You're all fucking amazing. You're wonderful people. And I hope that after that you're watching this, obviously you guys decide that you want to be part of this OHMoto family and subscribe and follow the socials and definitely join the Discord. But I am almost home, and just like a good masked biker, I can't let you know where I live. That would be dangerous for me. So yeah, because some of y'all stalkers, y'all know who you are. But I love each and every one of you. You guys have a great day, or great night, great day. Sorry, my brain don't brain. What? I don't know why that went into neutral. But yeah, sometimes my brain don't brain. The brain don't do the brain thing. Okay? And before I completely forget, today's code. And if you don't know what the codes are going to be, trust me, if you follow all my social medias and you are in the Discord, you will understand the code. I will be putting a code to every single video that I post. Literally, every video I post will have at least long form. Let me correct myself. Every long form, like, video like this on YouTube will have a code somewhere in it. And today's code is bananas. Bananas. Do not comment this code in the chat, or like in the comments. Don't put this anywhere. This is for you and only you to remember. If someone else that remembers it, that's on them to remember it. Don't share it, because there's going to be something that comes with these codes, but you're going to want to know them. So remember, the code I said, I'm not going to say it more than once in a video. I'm not going to, after this, any future videos, I will not say anything but, hey, today's code is, or this video's code is, and yeah. So, and you'll need to be following the Discord, or on the Discord. So get up on all the links in the description below, and I am out. You guys, remember, hit that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, like pretend this little fuel thing here. That's the subscribe button. Press it, smash it because you want to, or rub it. Oh yeah, rub that subscribe button. Just make sure before you're done rubbing it that you press it, okay? And then once you press it, hit that notification bell. And if you hit that notification bell, you get a notification every time I upload a video. And yeah, so that's all. I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the OHMoto family. Have a wonderful day, y'all.